What's up, guys? It's me, Odelia. And so today's video is going to be on my hair. So I'm going to go, here shortly, I'm going to go to the hair salon and get my first Deva Cut. I'm kind of scared, but it's much needed. I heard it's like really good for curly hair in my hair. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like down right now. And
oh
yes,
my God!
It's a big old poof ball. It's a mess, but it's about to get taken care of. I'm going to get some ends cut, get these curls rejuvenated because they're looking a little dull. Because they look like a baby troll. But yeah, I'm about to leave shortly. I'm about to go get this done and see what they can do to it. So this is the before. But yeah, this is me now. And I'll see y'all shortly.
2,000 years later.
Yep, so Deva Cut is complete. And it looks so much better than when I started this video. Like, so much better. You can see curls. I have definition. Like, she did her thing. She like went in and cut each individual curl, which is crazy, but she did her thing. And I love it. I'm on the road to recovery to have fabulous curly hair. I'm trying to get it to like out here. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it like that. I had it at one point when I was little, when my parents did my hair, and then I took over it, and it went. So, I'm getting back on that track. And I feel like, yep, this is a good look. It suits me. It suits my little round face. Well, I kind of got an oval face, but yeah. I'm not going to chat. This video is not going to be that long. I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that the Deva Cut is bomb diggity. And I'm going to start using their products too, because this is banging and I feel like I can do this myself. And she gave me some tips on what I need to do, so. Other than that, I'll keep you updated. In 6 weeks, I'll check in with another video and see. Yeah, so there's that. And I'll see you guys in 6 weeks with the Deva update. Bye.